Hello everyone, welcome to this basic guided meditation. In the next few minutes, you are delve into the meditation with me as a guide. This practice is designed for anyone new to meditation, but it also provides an opportunity for anyone to return to basics of meditation. Many of us have a very fixed idea of what meditation is. The goal of meditation is, to put simply, meditating is becoming attuned to yourself, finding peace and stillness in the midst of hectic world. It's an intensely personal experience. For right now, to allow yourself to release all your expectations for what you will encounter in the next few minutes, and open yourself to a world of infinite possibilities. When you are quiet and contemplative, any mystery can reveal itself to you. We will begin by relaxing. If you not already, situate yourself in a natural, relaxed position. Many people like to meditate in a seated, comfortable position with the back straight. You may prefer a different position. Whatever you do, find a comfortable posture and let your eyes drift closed. Feel the ribs and belly as you breathe. Let the gravity holds the limbs and letting relax. You feel every fiber of your body soften, relax, and release. As we continue through this meditation, let everything be effortless and easy. Give yourself permission now to stop planning, expecting, and reacting. Just for a little while, just be. Inhale and exhale. As you breathe, you will begin to notice areas in your body that feels tense or uncomfortable. On your next breathing, imagine your breath as a white light. Feel it surge through your body, touching places where you carry tension or pain. Then as you exhale, this tension follow your breath out of your body, leaving more relaxed than before. In the next breath, feel your shoulders softening, belly relaxing. With your eyes closed, the world outside may seem sharper, Notice this and direct your attention back towards yourself. Notice your breathing without trying to change it. Our daily routines are busy and we spend much of our lives focused on things outside of ourselves. Deadlines, tasks, and other people's reactions can fill our consciousness and leaving us no room to be still and peaceful. Bringing your attention to your breath is the one of the fastest and simplest way to bring you into your synchronize with your present moment. If thoughts or concerns from your day crop up, acknowledge their presence and let them pass by you. When you are emanating from this meditation, you will remember everything you need to be. So there is no need to grab on any thought right now. This is your time to be light and relaxed, free from the demands and daily life. Allow your breath to be your focus as you slip into a deeper state of peace and comfort. Some meditation centers on imagining certain scenarios or sensations. When you feel ready, you can pursue them. But just for right now, allow your own feeling to rise up. Be attentive and listen to what your body, mind, and spirit are trying to show you. Paradoxically, letting go of all expectation is what will bring you a deep sense of stillness and open you to your own inner wisdom. Breathe in and breathe out. Let whole be exist in the present. With every inhale, you sink deeper into a state of relaxation and stillness. This is the heart of meditation. Give yourself a moment to recognize the feelings within you and then return to your breath. Listen to the rhythm of your breath and the sounds of the world around you. Observe them with detachment, letting thoughts and sensations flow through you as easily as water runs over the pebbles. Feel the deep sense of calm. In the next few moments, allow yourself to simply be in this space. Begin to bring your awareness back. Observe what you feel right now. Have any realization or insights presented themselves to you? Notice the way your body feels, perhaps light and refreshed, or still and calm. Familiarize yourself with the sensations in your body, mind, and spirit. And know that you can revisit them anytime you need or want to be. Begin to move your fingers and toes. Gently wake up in the parts of you that are rested while you are on your journey. When you're ready, let your eyes open and smile at the world around you. And ready for a fresh start in every part of your life. You have taken the first step on a beautiful journey. If you have enjoyed this meditation, I encourage you to return to it. Every meditation practice is different from the last, and you may find that you learn a great deal about yourself from repeating the recording. Above all, thank you for your presence and energy here today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day or evening.